Alrighty. Give you an explanation of what's going on here. My name is Mike, and I fly drones, and I wanted to kind of hit that flat earth monologue hippie style, okay? Right here in front of me, I got my last time that I went up a half a mile, maybe more. I think I went 3,500 feet straight up, and I don't have a fisheye camera. There was no fisheye camera here. This is just a straight 4K. Actually, it's 4+K, Super K, whatever they call it. And I went up and I did a complete 360 to see if I could see a curvature of the earth. Now I'm going to do this hillbilly style. I'm going to measure from one end of the screen. This is a 45-inch TV right here. Okay, now pay attention, because I'm going to start it. Alright, here we go. Alright, here I am on the ground, okay? My drone's looking around a little bit. It's getting ready to lift off. This is the hillbilly rendition of the flat earth movement right here. And I think I'm at 25 feet right now. Or no, 20 feet. Well, 18, same thing. Right, here I come. This is me. Okay, we're going up. And up we go. Now pay attention now, because I'm going to demonstrate why I think that the earth is flat. Now I might be wrong. I mean, I'm not saying this is fact. This is just a real easy scientific method that I have produced to demonstrate my opinion on this matter. Okay, now I'm about 900, 950, 980, okay, 1,000. I'm not going to count it down, because let me see if I can get the camera a little more straighter to what we're trying to work on here. It should be pretty straight into the... Maybe this way just a little bit. Right, remember, that's a 45-inch TV right there. So I'm going to twist this just a little. Okay, I should be right dead straight on. Right now I'm at 2,500 feet in the air. Seven, 28, 29, 3,000, 250. 33. Okay. 3,430 feet right there. 3,430 feet. Okay, now the camera's going to pan out. Okay, see, I'm kind of even with the clouds there, or at least the base of the clouds anyway. You can see some clouds in the way. Alright, I'm kind of spinning around, and stop. Okay, now hold on a second. I'm going to do this the old-fashioned way here. Okay. Get a pencil. Okay. Alright. You see this blue line right here? And then you see that blue line right there? That is the horizon. That blue line and that blue line. So I'm going to take this here paint roller, alright, and I'm going to set it right up here in the corner so that it touches it. Right there. And I'm going to mark this blue line. It's right here. So, right here. Alright, you see that little black mark? That's the blue line. you go and stick it over here. I'll do it this way so that you can I gotta push it, so okay, right there. Now it's right up underneath the lip of the TV. That blue line is exactly the same. So this expanse right here, which must be, I don't know, probably 30 or 40 miles, something like that. I don't know how to do the math on this because none of this is exact, but it's exact from this point to this point. And if I was to put a level across, this line right here would be exactly level all the way across. Okay? Now you can see the land, you can see some water out there, like over here, that's like whatever the fuck it is. And it's like, there's no curve whatsoever. And I don't even know how many miles this is, you know. I mean, I was up 3,300 whatever feet, but, you know, you should see something. You should see a little bit down here, maybe up here in the center, a little bit down there. But if you take this, where I got my little mark here, if I can even find it again. Yeah, here, that's not it, is it? Yeah, that's it right there. And you move it all the way across. As I'm cleaning my TV, it stays right even with that blue mark. It doesn't go up any, it doesn't go down any. It stays exactly, perfectly even. So if we're on a round ball, how come you don't see that? I mean, how come you don't see that? You should be able to see that, at least a little bit. So that's my hillbilly method of trying to explain how, no, there's no curve. You know, I mean, maybe tomorrow or something I'll go up, you know, a mile or maybe a mile and a half. I don't want to get in trouble. But I'll try to see if I can see any kind of curve, because I never have. I've been on planes, trains, and automobiles, and in boats even, way out in Lake Michigan and some of the other huge bodies of water. Been in the Gulf of Mexico. I've never, ever seen a curvature, ever. And I've seen boats way the hell out there that look like they disappear beyond the horizon, and then as soon as I take my binoculars or my Coolpix camera out, my Nikon, and I zoom in on it, you can see the damn thing. I mean, I could see the bottom floors of some of the buildings in Chicago from the bay in Traverse City. So if there's some kind of curvature to the earth at all, how come I'm not seeing it? You know, that's all I want to know. If someone can answer that, more power to you, because I sure the hell can't. And that's a huge expanse right there. So what am I doing wrong here? How come I'm not catching this like everybody else thinks they are? That's a exact straight line there from like almost 3,500 feet in the air with a perfectly flat, perfectly level camera. And that horizon line is perfectly flat and perfectly level. That's all I can say.